Hi, I'm Amy and I'm here with my grandpa, and we're going to show you how to do the violent volcano. So this is what the packet looks like, and we'll show you all the parts that you need at the end. Okay, so first, you pour the vinegar in, which we've already done. So we're just going to get just over a teaspoon of
bicarbonate of soda.
Yeah, and we're just going to pour it in really quickly. Quick, put it on, put the lid on. And watch, and it'll fizz up. Go, fella, go.